All right, boys and girls, before I dismiss you to your parents, I want to let you know that we are having a fire drill tomorrow, so be prepared for it.
So, Percy's Daycare, Sunshine Daycare is having a fire drill tomorrow. Pixieラスト、アウェイ。
Wow, I'm so happy to see you flying. Oh, New York God, it's almost 11:30, so let me get earplugs and earmuffs before the fire drill starts. Phew, I got the earplugs and earmuffs.
Sleep, 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 sleep. Shut up and sleep.
I hit the
Sleep quietly on the
They
crib.
lost their pixie dust.
Don't you even start crying.
Everyone line up. You also have to group up.
You are on the restrained order friends of Lily, Louise, Astrid, and J.W. of Tinley Park in Crestwood. You are all morons, and you are lazy to your teacher, Mrs. Fisher. If you keep crying, then we will call DCFS on you.
Francesca, did you make the fire alarm tell the kids to shut up and sleep by hacking the fire alarm system?
Yes I did.
That is the last straw. I'm calling Sheriff Labrador and his team about this.
Woof. You're under arrest for tampering with safety equipment.
And you have to remain silent, because anything you say can be used against you in court.
Get in the police car right now.
You heard what Sheriff Papillon said. Get in there now.
Order in the court. We are here to talk about this girl named Francesca, who was being accused of tampering safety equipment. Now, Francesca, how do you plead for this crime?
Not guilty.
First off, I'm calling Daisy and Cole from Rhymetime Town to the stand.
Thanks, Your Honor, Wolf.
In Rhymetime Town, while we watching Mary Mary being chased by a lamb, you ruined and interrupted our song.
We were also riding race cars during the race, and suddenly you put a rock on the ground and made me speed too much. But thankfully, Itsy Bitsy saved me.
So this means you are 100% guilty and 0% innocent.
Next, I call Marshall to the stand.
When me and Rubble saved Callie from Mayor Humdinger, after we washed his mouth out of soap for talking trash to Rex when he saved his baby dinosaurs, and you healed him, and you also made Tracker fall down when he saved a monkey.
Now, how does the jury find Francesca?
Guilty. Guilty.
Francesca Watterson, you've been found guilty for tampering with safety equipment, causing trouble nonstop, and more. Francesca Watterson, you are hereby sentenced to death on the electric chair.
No, Your Honor. Nothing.
Electricity will pass through your body until you are completely dead. Guards, take her away.
This is your jail cell. You will stay here till midnight. Goodbye forever.
It is execution time.
Francesca, I cannot believe you hacked the fire alarm at Percy's Daycare. That's it. You are so
Also, any last words before Sheriff Labrador flips the switch?
I don't want to die, so I can survive and live with Miko, Luca, Ed, Ren, Milo, and Miko forever.
Too bad you brat. Now Sheriff Labrador, can we flip the switch?
Okay.
Wow.